Alright, let's see if Gerald can go past Ty. Let's see if Gerald can go past Ty. Ty's all the way over there.
Ready?
Gerald's gonna be right there. Okay, let's go. I wait. I wait. I wait. I wait. I wait. He's floating back up. You're floating back up.
I know, that's why I was fucking. Because I was pulling him over my breath in, but I got blown out.
Hero.
I can try.
Try. Talking about something.
I'm gonna pass. If I don't make it, I'm gonna pass the second 4 feet 6 inches.
Alright, let's go, go.
That second one right there. Are you in?
I would. I would. Doom. And now. Hang on. I just barely said and now, and then he fucking went up. I just barely said and now. I was gonna say and now, Jiro from Chuukese, and then you fucking float back up. I was ready to start, bro.
This water's not good to swim in.
Oh yeah?
The real ocean, then.
Okay, go. Do it again. Let's see how long you can like actually go. From there to there. Bro, this shit always reminds me of Munji, bro, and Jace, because they wanted to swim. I don't know why they never wanted to swim. Munji and Jace, they would just walk in. I'm just to get in and they walk back out. Bro. And there is Jiro from Chuukese, representing Micronesia. Oh, he's struggling. He's floating back up. Ah, that's far.
Huh?
Okay, you. And now we got Japanese, representing Japan. We got
Ty Yamashita.
Ty.
Yamashiro.
Ty Yamashiro. Representing Japan, we got Ty Yamashiro. Oh. I would. Oh, he's over there. Oh, he's going all the way. Oh, he's going all the way. Oh, dang. Almost, bro. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You could have touched that one. Chuukese. Doing good. Chuukese floating. So, Chuuk, what do you think about Japan?
Cheating.
Japan. How you doing, Japan?
Okay. They made us our slaves.
Chuukese, huh? They put the Chuukese in the slavery, huh?
Yeah. These Japan people. That Japan man.
All right. Peace, bro.
Peace, Kevin. Stay tuned.
Next time.